We'll guide you through how to add color using Geometry Nodes Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Blender on your desktop and wait for the program to finish loading. Select the cube that is already placed in the center of the workspace. After selecting the cube, move to the side panel where the object properties are displayed. Carefully locate the modifier section, which allows you to add different effects and procedural changes to the selected object. Click the option to add a new modifier. When the list of available modifiers appears, use the search tool to quickly find geometry nodes instead of scrolling through the entire list. Select geometry nodes from the search results. Then press the New button to create a fresh geometry node setup for the cube. Next, drag the panel located at the bottom of the Blender interface to give yourself more space for editing. Change the panel type so it becomes the Geometry Nodes Editor panel, allowing you to view and edit the node graph. Inside this editor, press Shift and A to open the Add menu for creating new nodes. Use the search tool once again and search for the Set Material node. Add this node to your Geometry Nodes network. After inserting the node, return to the side panel of Blender. Locate the Material section, where you can create or edit the material assigned to the object. Adjust the base color to any color you prefer by selecting the color picker and choosing the shade you want. Once the material has been customized, return to the Geometry Nodes Editor panel. Find the Set Material node that you added earlier. In the Material Selection field of this node, choose the same material that you just edited and colored. This connects the Geometry Nodes setup with your customized material, ensuring the cube displays the selected color through the node system. After confirming that the correct material is selected, your Geometry Nodes configuration is complete, and the cube will now use the material you created as intended within the procedural workflow.